Welcome to Transcribe Bentham. This video will show you a number of important features that you will need to know and understand in order to start transcribing manuscripts. So once you've found a manuscript that you wish to transcribe, you'll see a page like this with an image on the right and some metadata at the bottom. You should click the Edit button on this toolbar in order to reach the transcription tool and the transcription toolbar. Over on the right hand side you'll see the manuscript enlarged, and you'll also see this magnifying window which you can drag across the text. If you have a mouse with a scrolling wheel, you can also zoom in, further in and back out again. Okay, so to transcribe you will enter the transcription in this box, paying heed to the warnings to enter below certain lines. This toolbar here will also include code into the transcription in order to identify certain features and characteristics of the manuscript. If you hover over these buttons, you'll be told what their function is. So a line break, a paragraph, an addition, a deletion, unclear text, and so on. So, in order to begin your transcription, you simply start typing into the transcription box. Okay, so I've reached the end of the first line, so I want to register a line break at this point in the text. So simply leaving the cursor there, you go to the toolbar and click this button for line break. You'll also see that these words, its circumstances, are in square brackets, but they are also deleted, so you want to register this as a deletion as well. In order to do this, you simply highlight the text that is deleted, come up to the toolbar and click the button for deletion. This enters del tags around either side of the deleted text in order to identify that it is in fact deleted. So then simply move down to the next line and continue with your transcription. Again, if you can't see it clearly, you should use the magnifying window to enlarge it. Again, I've reached the end of the line, so I return and add a line break, moving down again. And another line break. But you'll also notice that a section of this text has been deleted by the author from be as to possible. So again, you need to highlight this text, come up to the toolbar and click the deletion button in order to identify this particular text as text that has been deleted. Okay, I have added in a line of text in order to speed up this process, and I will begin transcribing again here with such an example. And again insert a line break here. Now you will have noticed that there is some text added above the line here, so you want to register this as being an addition. The words "the promise of" are added before the phrase "in Bengal." So in these circumstances where text has been added to to the existing text, you should use your common sense in order to position it where it should ordinarily fall within the sentence that the author is writing in order to make sense. So once again, you should highlight the text that has been added, come up to the toolbar and click the addition button. Okay, so you can see that I have added another portion of text there, and if we move down slightly, we can see another piece of unusual manuscript phenomena which we want to identify. So we can see that a piece of text here has been added to the manuscript. I think it says face of the country. So I'll show you now another way of adding markup to a transcription. As you've seen, you can highlight a piece of text that you have already transcribed and then click the tags to click the toolbar button to surround it with tags. You can also click the add button first and then transcribe the text between the tags. So let's see, face of the country. I'm not entirely sure that this word is face. It seems to be, but I'm not entirely sure. So I want to register this, that this is an unclear reading, an unclear piece of text. So again, I highlight this word face. And I come up to the toolbar, and this button here registers a reading as unclear, surrounding it with unclear tags. So I then continue to transcribe the rest of this line. Here again we have a word added above the line, present. And a line break. So one final piece of markup that I want to show you is what to do when you are entirely uncertain of a word. So down here, the sentence beginning or the line beginning, in reality. In regard to, I'm not sure what this word is, any to other. So let's just type that. To any to other. Let's say for argument's sake that I have no idea what this word here is. I simply put the cursor at that point in the transcription and click the illegible button, and this will enter a tag that will later register this as illegible text. So if there's one important lesson that you take from this video, it's that tags can be applied in two ways. First of all, you may highlight a piece of text and click to place tags around, or you may first of all click the button in order to generate the tags and then type your text in